What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This video is sponsored by Jegs High Performance, guys. For all your automotive needs, for your Mustangs, for your Camaros, for everything you can possibly think of, go ahead and hit that link down below. And once again, guys, stay focused, be safe, and subscribe. Peace. Top of the morning to you, lads, and welcome back to another video, guys. So like I said in the beginning of this video is sponsored by Jegs, jegs.com, guys. Go ahead and check them out in the link down below, and let's get this video started. They are sponsoring this video, like I said. What I did was I went out and bought me some new spark plugs for the car. I'm gonna show you exactly how to take out your spark plugs, what spark plug socket you will need, and all the tools and the process involved. Quick disclaimer too, my car is filthy, my engine bay is filthy. It just rained, so it's gonna be really dirty. So I know some of you guys in the comments down below are gonna be hating me for leaving my car this dirty. But with all that being said, guys, let's get into it. So like I said, from Jegs, I got these XL copper core plugs. I know a lot of people suggested iridium, but I'm gonna try these out just for the time being. I mean, paid sponsor, I got what I could. If you guys do want some of these, here is the part number for the part number. They were about 19 bucks. They're pretty straightforward to install, but let's go ahead and take off this engine cover. I think it's an 8mm, and then it is a 10mm, I think it is. I'm not too sure, but we can go ahead and take these off and then get to the spark plugs. So for this install, you're gonna need a ratchet, an extension, a 5/8 spark plug remover, 8mm if you can find it, a 10mm if you can find it, and then also, just in case, some protective gloves, because my engine is hot, just in case if you are doing this when your engine is hot, so you can protect yourself. And I got some cuts on my knuckles. So let's go ahead and get into the install. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and remove the engine cover with the 10mm and the 8mm. So let's go ahead and get that done right now. Okay, now that you have the engine cover off, if this thing would focus, you have 4 8mm bolts that are holding up your coil packs. So you have 4 of those are there. You have a little harness bar, or harness like holder right here for your harness, like right here, sorry. And you go ahead and pop that off, and there's another 8mm right here. So you have 4 of them. Go ahead and pop those off. I'm gonna do these in order, so I'm gonna do the first one on camera and then just the last ones, because it basically repeats the same process. Take off this little pigtail. Take off this little pigtail right here. Pop off this screw, and then just do each coil pack one at a time. I'll show you exactly what this one looks like after I'm done taking it out. Alright, I got the first one out. This one has a little bit of carbon buildup on the top right here. So that's exactly what this one looks like. It has almost 30,000 miles on it. Factory bolt from Fomoco, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let's go ahead and pop in these new spark plugs and get them all going. So that's basically how you do your spark plugs. This is like a long thread, so just be careful. And then when you're torquing them down, torque them down to about 10 to 14 foot-pounds, whatever. And then after that, you should be good. So I'll show you guys how it feels when I'm driving today. So yeah, this video's not over yet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these rest of these spark plugs in, and yeah, go ahead and get this rest of this video going. Alright, so I just started up the car after installing all 4 spark plugs. The only thing that's popping up right now is that the hood is up, the passenger door is open. So let's take off all those. And it looks like we have no codes. And the idle feels way better. It's not focusing. Why? But yeah, it's honestly a lot smoother for idle. It says it has throttle response, all kinds of stuff. I'll pop the screen up of what the ad says on Jegs, so you guys can see for yourself. Okay, RPM's dropping a little bit. That's normal. Let's give a little blip on the throttle. I don't feel any difference in. I mean, you can hear my exhaust. So yeah, we'll take it for a ride. Let's go ahead and put my engine cover back on. Close this hood, clean up my tools, put my 8mm away and 10mm away. And we can go ahead and get the rest of this video done. Alright, so we're gonna go for a little test drive with these new spark plugs in, guys. Dash cam. To see if I feel any kind of a difference. Obviously I'm feeling a really big difference in idle so far. I probably shouldn't turn on the AC, but it's really hot. So this is the perfect time to give you guys my first impressions and in this video, guys. So first impression so far, install wise, was very easy. Very, very easy. Off the bat, you would know if the install didn't go correctly, you would have a misfire, and you would be able to tell. So far, it seems everything's fine. Feels pretty normal. I will probably do a follow-up video on this, just so I know if there is a difference in like gas or anything like that. I need to get a toolbox, by the way, because my tools are literally just rolling around, and I could possibly be on my 10 minutes. But let's go ahead and get on it real quick. See. Feels pretty good. I mean, feels pretty normal. I don't feel any kind of power gain. I don't feel any kind of resistance or, you know, like throttle response that they said that they did. So that's possibly a lie. But with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Before this person's didn't see me. Before I end this video, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please go ahead and like, subscribe. Please hit that bell icon, because I did check my analytics and it says more non-subscribers are watching my videos. It's like 99%. So if you guys please hit that bell icon, that would really, you know, be great. And with all that being said, guys, stay focused, be safe, and I'm out of here.